Sit back in this corner. This vacant lot last night. And I just had to tie up JC just now because she was trying to go out and race. And I just woke up probably an hour and a half past, about an hour and a half past light. I slept in because I was up till like 2 or 3 in the morning trying to edit that first video.
Good sheep. Slept in the back of this vacant lot last night. Good sheep.
Take off your cup.
I love your milk, thank you. Good sheep. Thank you, JC.
There's milk, JC. Having some more of my raw buckwheat cereal with blackberries. Last night I had it with the last of my honey, and yeah, blackberries would be even better. Oh my god, I love buckwheat. Raw buckwheat with milk on it just tastes like exactly like grape nuts. So awesome with blackberries. Breakfast of champions. And whatever cereal used that slogan. This is the real breakfast of champions.
All right, back at the old ball field.
There wasn't any signs still on the main gate say anything about no trespassing or no pets or anything. Let's see how much cheese I have. I think I just have a cheddar bottom. Yep. Yeah, it's smelling cheddary. And that's the bottom of my sourdough. So I'll have to grind some grain and mix in some milk and mix that together. So the sourdough will make the whole loaf fluffy. This is my all-in-one cheese mold, cheddar cheese maker, and sourdough. My whey catcher and my sourdough culture. I just when I put new loads of cheese on top to drain through, I just grind up some more. I'll keep out the spoon in there. Grind up some more grain and drop the flour in there and mix it up. And yeah, that's how I preserve and process my cheese and my bread in one container. With my little $100 grain grinder, Schnitzer Ligno Petite. You can get it for like $74, as low as $74. But it's pretty freaking awesome. It's actually got stone. Stone grinder. So you can make flour with it. Yay, this grain grinder is so cool. So cool. It's so fun to grind grain with it. Oh my god, I love this grinder. It's actually fun to grind. Fun to make bread with this solar oven and this handheld grinder. This thing is got a warranty for like 8 years. This is an actual quality brand made from Germany, not China or US. They've been making these for like 30 years. Schnitzer Ligno Petite, $100 hand grinder. Get it? It's awesome. Good sheep. Yeah. Alright, let's put some dandies on the bottom. buckwheat in there. Alright, put the milk in. And the milk, which is help with, as it simmers up, it will steam all these vegetables. And it'll form fresh cheese on the bottom layer to contrast with the aged cheddar cheese that I'm gonna put on top. Piece on top. That'll be beautiful. There. You make everything so much better. Amaranth on top of the cheese, that would look cool. Look at that fanciness. And with this cool garnish, like sesame seed. Alright. Boom. So awesome. Alright. It's been 20 minutes and it's hissing. That means that it's done, just like a coffee pot. Bring it over here and shoot. Tank. Tank, tank, tank. Tanky, tanky, tanky. Tanky, 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 tank, tank. This side closest to the door is the least cooked. And it's still got some milk in the bottom of it. I figured it would all absorb. I did put a lot of it in there. Oh, thank you. Bon appetit. Thank you, goodness. This food blessed in my body. Look at that. The amaranth on top of the cheese is a good idea. I'm gonna start doing that every time. It looks beautiful. Reminds me of like sushi or something. Oh, it's so awesome. Just the right amount of buckwheat. Good texture. Those are all good ratios. Can't really go wrong with primarily dandelion. Cook it. It just really brings out the flavor and dulls the bitterness a little bit. The peas on this and the aged cheddar cheese does it. Now I'll mix the bread dough with the fennel, and I think I'm gonna do the lavender. Right. Got about 2 to 1 more fennel than lavender. Twice as much fennel as lavender. Now I can start mixing in the dough. The dough's been sitting. Mixing with the sourdough. It's thickened up quite a bit too. Sit with the sourdough for like 30 minutes at least. Like 45 minutes. Perfect. That's perfect. Leave that much in there for it to continue to sour. The sourdough culture to spread throughout it. And 20 minutes in my solar bake oven. Better than an easy bake oven. It's solar. Oh my god. I love buckwheat flour. It's so fluffy and fine. Wheat doesn't grind down that easy. Buckwheat like crumbles. Oh. The crust on this is perfect. If it was any harder, because this is going to get a little bit harder to crust as it cools down. It's got a crunchy crust on it, fully baked inside. Let's see if I can get a chunk out of here. Oh yeah. Look at that. I love how my spoon fits perfectly in here. It's so awesome. I don't need a big piece. Oh, you're so beautiful. I love you. I love you. Look at those fluffy air pockets. Perfect goldenness. I love solar baking. I love hand grinding. I love buckwheat. I love you, sheep. I love your byproducts. They're so awesome. I don't know what I would ever do without them. I can't ever see willingly going without having any of those things in my life in the future. The solar cooker, hand grinder, and my dairy sheep.